Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at Cam's house and we are putting intakes on the 335. We got some VRSF cones here and yeah, we're just gonna take it all apart. I'm not gonna show like everything that's needed to take it apart because there's a million different tutorials on the YouTube.
It's not exactly very interesting to watch someone pop off brackets like this.
Whoa, revolutionary, Cam. All right, but yeah, I'm just gonna kind of hit the high spots here and yeah, we'll see how she sounds when we're done. So we thought we could get it off without removing the little wire protector right here, but it turns out we do need to remove that. So Cam will just show you, it just pops off very simply.
Because BMW likes to charge you plastic.
And then there's more little clips underneath there. And the whole piece just comes off. Perfect. And that will give you the room that you need to get back in there. All right, so that just comes up, you pop it off, and it pretty much will just pull out.
In theory, if you can't pop it back in, there is an intake outlet hose from the, or I guess an intake hose from where the actual thing comes to the airbox to filter it all. But theoretically speaking, if BMW hasn't gone and fucked us, we should be able to pop this hose out right here at the top, so it's not connected to the airbox anymore, to avoid pushing the wires on that. Pull that up. This should in theory also just pop up over that nub.
Perfect.
It should do the same on the other side. Just to confirm.
There you have it. Stock airbox removed. From here it'll be pretty straightforward. Alright, so we got the first cone in. I highly recommend doing the rear one first because it's a major pain in the butt. We finally got the intakes in. The rear one was a major pain in the ass. Do that one first. The front one is extremely simple, but if you're looking for more of a tutorial, there's great sources on YouTube. This is not the video for that.
Not to mention that if you're talking about a woman, it's the exact opposite. Never to go back to front.
Oh my God. But yeah, that's it. We'll get some sound clips going on here. Guys, so I just got back here from installing the cone intakes and I thought I'd just give a quick little review on my thoughts of them. They're definitely a little bit quieter than I expected them to be. I wasn't sure how loud to expect, but you can't really hear a lot of noise within the car. When the hood's open, they're really quite loud, and from in the car, if you're just when you get on the gas, you can hear a bit of induction noise, but then the engine noise takes over and you can't really hear much. But yeah, as far as overall sound, I would say it's pretty good. And they're not any faster, obviously. Without a tune, they're not going to make much of a difference for that. But yeah, overall, I would say it's a pretty great first mod you could do to your car.